Hello everyone, welcome to Vijay Mohan IAS Academy. As part of AP Economy lecture series, today we will discuss one question and related answer which is related to AP Budget 2020 and 2021. As part of this AP Economy lecture series, we have already discussed some issues which are related to AP which you can find in my previous videos. So, in order to discuss AP Budget 2020 and 21 and Socio-Economic Survey of AP of 2019 and 20, we will go into the format of question and answer instead of discussing mere facts and related issues. So, in order to make it effective and in order to make it precise and in order to make AP Economy issues more apt to Group 1 Mains exam, from now onwards we'll discuss AP Budget and Economic Survey issues in question and answer format instead of discussing it in a general way. Subsequently, I will upload some more questions and answers related to AP Budget and Economic Survey. In these question and answers, major part of my source will be AP Budget and Economic Survey, and wherever required, I will be using other sources like newspaper and other reports so that I'll be able to provide a comprehensive answer for the required question. Now look at the previous question which was asked in APPSC Group 1 2016, which was related to budget and related issues. Explain the distinct aspect of annual budget for 2016-17 of Andhra Pradesh. Discuss the reasons for revenue deficit and fiscal deficit in residuary Andhra Pradesh. So, on the same lines, I framed a question which was related to budget 2021. The question reads: human resource development and welfare are the two main themes on which AP government budget 2020 and 21 mainly focused. Elucidate. Here the tile word, you have to focus on tile word and also the main question. Here tile word is given as elucidate. In a way it is similar to explain. So what we have to explain? We have to explain here that the AP government budget 2021 is mainly focused on human resource development and welfare. So for this question, you can use introductory remarks as: amid economic difficulties induced by corona pandemic, the AP government announced rupees 2,24,789 crore budget for the year 2020 and 2021. Another aspect you can add is that the budget mainly focused on human resource development and welfare of the people. These two lines will be suffice to introduce the question. Now we will go into the main content of the question answer. So you can use one link line which links the introduction to the main part of the answer. The link line is: major allocations of the budget went to education, health, social welfare, pensions, etc., which stresses on human resource development and people's welfare. Now the first point in the main content is: it gave importance to Navaratnalu umbrella scheme to provide comprehensive and enhanced social security cover for the poor and the needy through multiple interventions. So you are stressing in your answers that the budget gave importance to Navaratnalu umbrella scheme, which provides comprehensive and enhanced social security cover for the poor and the needy through multiple interventions. And the next point is that education sector with schemes like Jagananna Ammavadi, the Manabadi Nadu Nedu scheme, Jagananna Vidya Kanuka scheme, Jagananna Vidya Divana and Jagananna Vasati Divana schemes, etc., allocated nearly rupees 24,000 crores. And the next point, health sector through programs like Kanti Velugu program, the Nadu Nedu health scheme, etc., was allocated nearly rupees 11,419 crores. These numbers you may not be able to remember exactly, but broadly you can remember like nearly 11,000 crores, like that. Next point, you can write about agriculture. Agriculture was also accorded a prime place in the budget through programs like Dr. YSR Raitu Bharosa, Dr. YSR Free Crop Insurance Scheme, etc., with total allocation of 11,891 crores. It is proposed to set up 160 Dr. YSR Agri Testing Labs across the state to provide quality testing facilities in farm vicinity. This sub-point was emphasized as Dr. YSR Agri Testing Labs are an important part of the strategy of the government to increase the productivity in the upcoming years. So this point was stressed or added to add emphasis to your answer. Next point is that welfare of SC, ST, OBC and minorities got rupees 41,430 crores through programs like YSR Pension Kanuka Scheme, YSR Asara Scheme, Jagananna Ammavadi, Jagananna Vidya Divana Scheme, etc. And the next point is that further schemes like YSR Cheyuta, YSR Law Nestam, YSR Vahana Mitra, YSR Netana Nestam, etc. got major chunk of the government expenditure. Next point, you can add women empowerment and child welfare got an allocation of nearly rupees 4,900 crores. So this is the main content, and in the conclusion you can add conclusion remarks with a simple line. Thus, with a view to strengthen the human capabilities and standard of living, the budget for 2021 focused more on human development and welfare of people. This simple sentence, which stresses on human capabilities and standard of living, will be suffice to say that the budget for 2021 focused more on human development and welfare of people. So this is the first question on AP budget 2021 and AP socio-economic survey 2019 and 2020. Subsequently, I'll be adding more questions related to AP budget and AP socio-economic survey, as this will be an effective way to discuss the budget and economic survey instead of discussing each and every chapter or each and every aspect in the budget and economic survey. Thank you.